Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlie and today I wanted to show you before I get started our lesson the bunny. The bunny's all finished. Let me put this back so you can see it better. And she's all done. I have, let me put it closer this way. See, I got little curls which I made with that, put some cotton on a toothpick. Just make sure you put some saran wrap so you can be able to, slip it out. And then I paint them brown. And, then when it was dry, I just, tack it in there with some tacky glue. And that is how I was able to finally get those clothes on right on her, was with tacky glue. I never made this before with, paper towel. I made other things with paper towel, but I always used glue at that time. So by doing it with the tacky glue, everything is there, everything is fine, see? It's not going anywhere. And it opens up like I want it, like right here a little bit, see? And like I said, everything is in there. In the back of her little head, I also put some curls. And then a little bow with a little flower in it. I think she turned out really cute. The eyes, like I said, it's not my forte, okay? So don't criticize it. It's just what it is. I think I almost look like a spooker or something. But she turned out really cute, and I like it. And her little basket is really cute, but I didn't want to glue it on, okay? So I wanted to put a little pin on her. You kind of pin it with a little, sewing pin. And I did put one of them and it broke, so, but anyway, there she is. If you do want to, glue it on, you could glue it on her little hand and it will be just fine. A little basket, but I like the basket, really, it's really cute. So there she is. I'm really happy with her, and I hope you enjoy the video. I have decided this video that I'm going to do today, we're going to start at everything from scratch. Every little thing we're going to do. It may take a lot of videos, but it's okay. I want you to learn this because it's a lot of fun. And we're going to make him. Now, he's not painted yet, okay? But everything is cotton. And if I can do it, y'all can do it. I haven't done the face yet, but that's okay. I haven't painted yet, and I will. So this is a little boy, and he is done, I call it with the square kind of a body, okay? The other ones are more like, let's see if I have one, probably not. I thought I did, but let's see. Because I made tons of them the other day. I mean, I was making them right and left. But the other ones are the ones that have the in other words, it would be more like this. But this one, because it's a little boy, they're more chunky. I decided to do it with more square on the hip. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do, and I got myself a little bit ahead of myself and got some cotton. And I got this and a paper towel, so I'm good. And this is what I'm going to do today. So I'm trying to make my videos really, really short. We're going to put the, like I said, we always start with the glue or the cornstarch glue, okay? I'm going to do the arms first. You can do it anyway, however you want it, okay? But I'm going to do the arms first. So I'm going to come down here and come here this way here, like that. Okay? And then I'm going to do it under a couple of times. Be careful not to break the, there we go. And then just make sure that I get it. Okay, and then go around it until you cover that arm really, really good, okay? And then I'm going to turn it the same way with my hands that I did. And I'm going to go ahead now, just make sure it's well glued in there so it won't come off. And this is going to be the very first thing you're going to do, and then you're going to let it dry, okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing I did on the other side, the opposite side. I'm going to put this on this shoulder. Instead of the right shoulder, I'm going to put it on the left shoulder. And again, I'm going to go inside the body a couple of times. See if that helps you better. Let me know, please. I'll do 1 and 2. Oops. See, I said I'm breaking it, and I didn't. But that's okay. And then I'm going around the arm. Since I broke it, I just want to make sure that I secure some more in there, and then just go around it. Don't worry at this point about the end if it shows a little bit of the pipe cleaner or anything, or the wire or whatever. All right, see? And then also I'm gonna go ahead and twist it, not hard, but just, you know, just twist it to be there. Okay? There we go. So this is the first time, the first thing you're going to do. You have to excuse my puppy because she is nuts. I have no idea what's wrong with her. She's 11 years old. I think she's going senile on me. Okay, so then I'm gonna come and to the legs. She thinks it's time to eat, and it's not time to eat, and she'll do that until I give up, which is not, I'm trying to be more stubborn than she is. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the waist first, or hold it so it can kind of go in the waist a little bit, but not too tight, because he's a boy, he doesn't really have a waist. Not much anyway. And then I'm gonna go around the leg. In a little bit on an angle, but you want to make sure that you are going to get everything. And if you need some more like I do, but that's okay. Before I do, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that this is anchored in there. This is probably the last doll I'm gonna do for a while, but I wanted to show you how to do one slowly and do it well. Okay, so like I said, I'm not gonna worry about the feet right now. I'm just gonna leave it like that. If you have enough, you can go wrap it around. If not, don't worry about it. And now I'm going to do the other one. And again, this time I came from here this way. Now I'm gonna go the opposite from here that way. So I would like for you to go ahead and try this as I do each video, and I think it's gonna help you a lot better. I haven't heard anything one way or the other, whether it's hard or not, but you know, I just thought this way would be so much easier to do. And also by doing this, it anchors this part of the leg and arms when you put it in there really good like this. Now in this one, we have enough to do the foot. But I'm just gonna go around it, just all the way around it. No biggie, not anything, just covering it up. I'll probably use that over here, okay? So, but when you go ahead and turn it with your fingers, it stays there nice and tight. And that's what makes it later. Anything you put on it, let's see, yeah. Anything you're gonna put on it, stay even better, okay? All right. I'm just gonna get a little bit of it, and just since but I don't worry too much about it, okay? At this point, we'll make feet or a boot or whatever. So, okay, so now you got this. So now I'm gonna fill out the you know, the torso. I wanna go ahead and put some right on one side only. And basically, you're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna come a little lower, you know, about here. And around it. It's gonna take more than one little, you know, ball, but that's okay. And then just kind of bring it in there like that. It's picking up, I dropped my little basket a while ago and it's picking up all the little specks of that moss. I'll take it off here in a minute. Okay, let's do another one because it needs it. And I'm just gonna start right here. And you really want it sort of a, almost like a little square kind of a body, okay? So when you turn it around, don't press too hard. Just let, you know, kind of like that. Let the cotton just be lay there. And then just nicely paint it with the glue, okay? Because this is the kind of body we want. Like I say, you don't have to do a lot. Just leave it like pretty much like this, and you let it completely dry, which is probably about overnight. Now I haven't at this point. I have not done the. Take that off. I have not. You know, I have not positioned the legs or the arms the way I wanted it. I just want it dry right now. And you can put a little bit more in here, which I'm going to, on the chest, right over here. It needs a little bit more. And very softly, make sure you do under the arms though, okay? Very softly, just put it in there. This is kind of your bulk. And of course, in the bottom here, we just kind of, you know, do that too. You know, just make it as neat as you can, but not have to be perfect, okay? One that is done. Then you're gonna go ahead and take another pipe cleaner, kind of like this. Make sure I open up the top. Okay. Because I want to hang him. I just bring it on here and just give it a light twist. You don't have to do it too much, like that, okay? Make sure the little legs are straight for right now. And that is that. That's all you do to it, okay? I want to show you one that I did, see? This one is a little bit smaller, but, you know, you can make it as neat as you want to, or as, because right now, if this is going to be, the, you know, we're going to put the dress and the pants and all of that over it. We just want some bulk. So however big you want it, you can do that, okay? It usually never turns to the same anyway. Not for me anyway. Once you have that done, then you're going to go ahead and hang it anywhere. I actually hang my hair on my tripod, and it does just fine. You know, and that's it. Once this done, it's going to dry overnight. It's very light. So it just hangs there, doesn't, you know, doesn't touch anything, and, you know, it's very light. Once this is done, there will be the second lesson. And, but it's nice and dry, okay? I thought I'd do that way. We're going to cover more of the doll. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is going to be my last cotton doll for a little while. I'll be making some, but it's going to be off camera for other reasons. But I'm going to be going into some other kind of a crafting at the same time, okay? If you need any help for anything, please comment on it and tell me, and I'll try then to, you know, give you a message, send you back a message, or do a quick lesson on whatever the problem is, okay? So I hope you enjoy this. Until next time, stay well, stay crafty, and God bless you.